In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to fix Teams microphone not working on Mac. So let's get started. Now, I'm going to be going over some fixes and you can just go ahead and follow me and hopefully one of them works out for you. So the first fix is the most common fix and this could just fix your problem. So this is to check your Mac's microphone permission. Okay, so just go to your system settings and from here head over to privacy and security, just like that. And from here you're going to scroll down until you see the option of microphone, and from here you're going to make sure that your microphone Teams is turned on, and if it was turned off, just turn it on, then completely quit Teams, like force quit, and then reopen it, and then it should work, hopefully. Then we have to check microphone inside Teams. Now this is when you're in a call, you would see three dots somewhere at the bottom here. So just go ahead and click on those three dots, go to settings, and then go to devices. Now under microphone, you're gonna select the correct mic. For example, it's usually gonna be a built-in microphone, or if you're using a specific headset or a mic, then you can just go ahead and choose that mic from the drop-down menu. And then you have to speak and see if the blue bar moves, yeah, because that's basically showing that it's receiving some voice from the mic, yeah. Then we have to check Mac sound input. So just go to your system settings once again. From here we're gonna head over to sound right there. Now from here you'll have to first of all select your input. So go to your input and then select. Now for example, I'm currently using an external microphone, and you can see when I speak that my input level, this thing is moving. Now obviously if you're using your built-in, just go ahead and click on my MacBook Pro microphone, and that's the built-in, as you guys can see. And let's say your input volume is too low, what you can do is simply slide this bar towards the right. But if I do that right now, your ears are gonna burst, so I'm just gonna not do anything with that, yeah. So, and if you don't see any movement here, then there is likely a hardware or a permission issue. Then you have to close other apps using microphone. Now Mac allows only one app to use the mic sometimes. So for example, if you have any apps like Zoom, Google Meet, Skype, or any browser tabs that are using a mic, just go ahead and close them and then restart Teams, and hopefully it works out. Then we have another thing, which is restarting core audio. Now this is something you do from your launchpad, heading over to terminal, and here you're gonna type in, let me just close and open it once again, there was some thing going on. Okay, perfect. So what you're gonna type is sudo kill all core audio D. Okay, just click on enter. It's gonna ask you your password. You can just type in your password, and when you type it in, you're not gonna actually see it on the screen. It's just getting typed behind the scenes. So just type in your password and click on enter, and then it's gonna reset the audio service for Mac, and hopefully this fixes Teams issue, yeah. Then obviously you have to check your Teams mute settings. Make sure you're not muted, and no physical mute button on the headset. No keyboard mute key pressed. For example, sometimes when you're wearing a headphone, there's like a built-in button on the headphone which controls whether you're muted or not. So just go ahead and mess around with that, and hopefully that could be the reason your mic wasn't working, because that has happened to me as well before. Then it is update or reinstall Teams if it's still broken. So just go ahead, quit Teams, delete it from applications, and then restart the Mac, and then download the latest version of Teams from Microsoft, and hopefully when you reinstall it works. So alright guys, those are all the fixes, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.